Hello, people. This is Ansh Rastogi, and today let's get started with the grid system in Bootstrap. Before watching this video, I expect you that you know about Bootstrap a little one, and if you don't, please, before watching this video, go ahead with the Bootstrap implementation, and which you will learn in their documentation. It's quite easy, so don't worry about that. I'm just going to tell you about the grid system of Bootstrap, which is also considered the backbone of every page using Bootstrap, and it is a really good feature for a screen optimized page, whether you are using the web page on your mobile device or on your laptop or on your PC. Okay, so let's go to Bootstrap site. Bootstrap, right? Bootstrap. Yeah, here click on the first link for getting started. Click get started, and let us first copy the starter template. Right. In this video I'll be using brackets code editor. You can use any other editor of your choice if you want to. And here in go to layout, and yeah, grid. So what basically a grid do, I will not tell you first, but I will apply that, and then you will know yourself what it is doing. For example, let us first create a class, container class, div container. Okay, and let us create a row. Okay, and for sample text, let's go to lorem ipsum. Lorem ipsum, if you don't know about lorem ipsum, it's just a website that provides sample text used for website testing and this. And I think is copy, and let's make copies of it. 4 copies. You will yourself know about what it is doing. This was a page. Okay, do you see that? If I remove these divisions, they will appear like these paragraphs line by line. The whole paragraphs in a line. But now while using the grid system, it is appearing like this is because in the grid system the whole this whole line is considered as a row divided into further columns. If you see, there are 4 paragraphs in side by side in this, and I've also defined this. So what is this? So for using grid, your text should be in a container tag. For starting the row, there is div class row. For starting a column, you should mention call. Call is for column. MD is size medium, and 3 is the number of columns I'm using. I can even mark it as 4. So it, and there are only 12 columns in a row. So 3 is to 4 is 12. So they will combine a row. If I copy it again, it will surely go to another line. If we see it here, yeah, like I said. So that is the basic use of how grids are used, and why they are used for mobile screen optimization. Okay, let's see, 1 minute. Okay, if I okay, now if I squeeze the screen, you will see something magical. You see that these paragraph tags are adapting themselves as per the screen size. again, again. Can you see that? After a particular width of a screen, they shift it to the next line. This is the use of grids, and that's a really impressive feature. Uh, and let me show you how this MD and this MD, why it is used. Like we see that there are 12, just remember there are 12 columns in a row. Okay, and let's see there is, for using extra small we can leave it call hyphen empty. For using the small one we can leave it like this. For medium, this, let us use SM. You will see a different thing. SM will squeeze later. In the case of SM, the paragraph tags will go to next line after a time, after the screen is squeezed more than that in case of MD. Okay, and if we do, if we squeeze the screen now, see they're squeezing, yeah, and after, see there, it is now more squeezed than the case of medium, and still they are in the same line, appearing and adapting themselves as per the screen. So that is the use of using small, medium, large, and extra large, like LG for large and XL for extra large. And if I squeeze them further, yes, after this point they came in next line. So that is what mentioned here. If you want to them to come in the next line at this much screen size. For medium it was this much, so that's why in the case of medium, when the screen was this much, they get into the next line. But for the case of small, we have to squeeze the screen a little bit more so that they can. So that is the maximum container width mentioned here. So when the screen of size is this, then only the paragraph tags will get into the next line. For medium, this is the width. For large and for extra large, this is the width. So that is how grids are used, and how what is the basic use of grid. You will find the use of grid in many field, and if you want to uh, start working on a website in which you want to make it mobile screen optimized as well, this is the basic use. I will show you a further example which I myself made. I made myself, yeah, this one. So there are these are the bootstrap cards. So there are three cards in a line. Okay, so if I squeeze the screen now, can you see that they are adapting as per the screen size. Okay, so if I squeeze it completely, you see they are arranged beautifully in the next line. That is the use of Bootstrap. And also Bootstrap will get you more and more things, and you should explore it yourself. And if you want a good video on Bootstrap, then you can comment about it in that chat section. And if you like the video, then uh, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe our channel, and share it as far as you can on Twitter, on WhatsApp, Facebook, Instagram, Reddit. And yeah, that is for today, guys. Thank you. See you in the next video.